bait number 1 coming up. What do you think about it? Yeah, bait number 2. Oh, still got your bait, Shiz. Bait number 3. This is going quickly. Oops! Classic. Oh no, just a honker.
There he is.
Oh, another good one. Nice.
That's a swimming.
Extreme close up. Oh, another stonker. Hell. Can't get away from him. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Got a couple of them ones. Nice. Oh! It took my eye out. Yeah, there we go. Ah, it's like a little skippy. I thought it was too whiting. Funny little fellow. And there we have it, lucky number 12. That's bait sorted with a snapper. Alright, there it is, 12 whiting. Can use them for bait for snapper tonight. Gonna head out past the 5 fathom bank, go for a drift. Who knows what we'll find. Got the whiting on the classic diced chicken breast, diced chicken breast with a bit of tuna oil smothered all over it, so yeah, seems to work pretty well. Anyway, we'll head out there and see what we can find. You did call it. You bloody called it.
Look at the size of
Classic wrasse. PB. Nice. Alright, so drifting wasn't very successful as usual. She's just got her PB wrasse. We've anchored up, got some burley going, and I got a whiting floating out the back. Shaz is still messing around trying to catch something or other, dewy or snapper or something, but yeah, we'll keep pumping the burley out and see what happens. Alright, so the baits have been getting ravaged by squid, so I grabbed the squid jig and threw a whiting on it straight away, so let's see if I can get a few of these. Here's the jig I'm talking about. It's just one of those, it's got a steel shaft, squid jig head hook thingy at the bottom, just feed a fish onto it, and there you go. Didn't take long, onto another one. Feels like a decent model. Ah, oh yeah. There you go, about 30 seconds in the water, another squid.
It's squatting on me.
Classic karate chop to the head for the kill. And another one. Slightly smaller model this time. Oh shit, he's only on my one tentacle. Watch your face, Shaz, keep him down. There we go, another nice squid. Good night. Become professional squid fisherman. Fishing update. 0 snapper, 4 squid. Things are looking a bit dire. We'll get going for another, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, and then we'll pull the pin. Alright, so that's it. No snapper. Disappointing, but that's what happens. We're going to head back in, just tipping out the burley, bring the rods in. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, see ya. Alright, there you have it. A little bit of salt and pepper squid. Same with the a few whiting fillets, just a little Sunday afternoon snack. It was a lovely day out on the water yesterday. No snapper, but you get that sometimes. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.